I'm Emma. I'm from Larkswold Creative Workshops, and we run fabulous workshops in our bake-off style marquee. But if you can't join us, maybe you'd like to join us online, where I'm going to show you how to wrap your presents using beautiful fabrics or scarves. I'm going to use this scarf actually here. I'm going to lay it diagonally. I'm going to fold it over, make sure it's in the middle, and I'm just going to tie a simple knot. And another one. I hope my sister likes this. She can use the scarf as a scarf if she likes, or she could gift it back to me and maybe I could give it to somebody else. And there we go. No sellotape, no wrapping paper, no waste. So you can also wrap really tricky shaped presents with fabric really easily. It's called Furoshiki, wrapping things with fabric. Here we are, this bottle's coming on. There we go. Another gift to give to your nearest and dearest.